1 minute. Just a minute. Can you all see my screen here?
Ma'am, it's too blurred.
Blurred, I'll just wait a minute. I'll put it on slideshow. Just give me a minute. I'll put it on slideshow. Fine.
We are starting with 4.2.
No, I'll go to 4.3 now. This is just the formula. Now, as I said yesterday also, I spoke to you. The 3 ways to find the solution was, one was by factorization that we did so far. Then we did completing the square methods, which I said we will not do because it's not in quotients. And finally, we have the quadratic formula method. Now, quadratic formula method, just look into it. We have it in details afterwards. So this slide has, now here we go. So this is what we need to look at. Solution of a quadratic equation by factorization. Fine. Just for a quick go, just to have a warm up, what I want you people to do is just solve this equation first. Yes,
Ma'am, the question is very blur.
wait a minute.
Yes, ma'am. Can you tell the page number or something?
No, this is from outside. This is not from the textbook there.
Can I read it out?
I'll read it. Surely I'll read it. Is it very blurred?
Yes, ma'am, very
No,
blur.
ma'am.
Because if
It's
I...
not so blurred also.
I'll read out. That's okay. Take
Here
it out.
only.
Solve it by the factorization method. X square plus 5x plus 6 equal to 0.
Done, ma'am.
It's -2 and -3.
Hey,
Yes, ma'am.
wait. Another one. Let everybody, that shall do it. Ma'am, who is it? Darshil?
Yes, ma'am, you called me.
Yeah, beta, do it. I wanted you to do it. Ryan, finish it off.
Ma'am, is it -2 and -3?
-2 and -3.
-2
Did
and
I
minus
ask you? Did I ask you? Chaitanya, I want your video on. Chaitanya, Aniket.
Ma'am, if I'm okay, I'll turn it.
Shrishti, why are you switching it off? Edwin, Moria.
Ma'am, the connection's a little slow right now. I'll switch it on again.
Aman. Soham. So many have kept it switched off.
Ma'am, is it on now?
But don't ask me that. Again, I have to check. Because amongst 50, it gets lost. Wait. Fine. Okay, now, as you said, the answer was -3 and -2. Shall I do this one? No, don't do this. Leave it. It's kiddish. I'll move ahead. Do this one. This is example number 3 from your textbook. Please keep your textbooks closed. Finish it off. This is just for a bit of practice. 2x square minus 5x plus 3 is equal to 0 by factorization.
Ma'am, 2x square minus 5x
plus 3 is equal to 0. You can simply write it as practice or examples and do it. Not an issue. Aniket, I can't see anything. There's a dark logo in front.
Done, ma'am.
Ma'am, x is equal to 3/2.
Done.
I didn't ask for any answer. Aniket?
Ma'am, for me it's on.
I'm done.
Done? Jeeval, can you give me the answer? Jeeval?
I'm still doing it. 1 minute.
Jaypreet, camera on. Tanvi?
Yes, ma'am.
Give me the answer.
Ma'am, it's 3/2 and 1.
It is 3/2 and 1. Perfect. So here are your answers. They are called the roots, the solutions. What else?
Zeros.
Zeros of the given equation. Perfect. Go ahead, take this up. The fourth one. 6x square minus x minus 2 equal to 0.
Ma'am, can I log off and log in? I can't see a screen right now.
Okay, fine. Can others see the screen?
Ma'am, 6x square minus x minus 2, that question, no?
Yes, that question. Yes, Tanvi, you can do so. Tanvi, do it.
Ma'am, is it 6x square minus x minus 2?
Yes, yes, it is. It is. Taya could do it.
I'm doing it.
Ma'am, done.
Done, ma'am.
Wait.
Done, ma'am.
Wait.
Done, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, done.
Manasvi, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
I could suddenly hear. This is another sweet voice. Reva, you. Samarth, have some water. Fine. So what is the answer?
By 3 and minus 1 by 2.
3 minus 1.
2 upon 3 and minus half. All those who could not do it fast, wind it up. So basically minus x you are breaking down into 3x minus 4x. Do it fast. All those who could not, finish it. Finish it. Kanika done? Chalo, good. Aniket done with it? Aniket, Nishan, Ashwin done?
Yes, ma'am.
Perfect. Who's that? Nandita. Chalo, try doing this. Do this. Reva, where is your school dress today?
Ma'am, it's in the wash.
Chalo, start. There's a root over sign. Nothing to be afraid of. Samarth, stop looking into the textbook. Acha, okay.
Done, ma'am.
Samarth got glasses.
Ma'am, it's not actually glasses, ma'am.
Acha, anti-flare. Understood. Anti-screen. Harsha, done? Harsha, the light should never be behind you. Light should be in front of you. It's very dark there.
Done, ma'am.
Okay, done. So what is the answer? What are the roots you're getting?
Root 3 by
Root
and 3 by 2.
Ma'am, root 3 by
2 by 3 and 2 by 3.
2 by 3.
So they are equal roots. We are getting two equal roots. Afterwards,
The whole squares.
whole squares. Perfect. Okay with that? So how did you split? The most important thing was how did you split
Ma'am, should we rationalize it?
No. Why rationalize? Leave it as it is. Why rationalize? Fine. So the only way is how to move ahead when you have a square number. Now let's go to exercise 4.2. Write all of you exercise 4.2. Chalo.
Ma'am, tomorrow we are discussing the question bank, right?
Yes. Thank you. Chal, do this fast.
Done, ma'am.
Wait.
Done.
Ma'am, done.
Yes.
Ma'am, is that the first or second
This is
question?
question number 1-1.
Done, ma'am.
You should not be taking so much of a time. Shrishti, are you having any problems in understanding this question, Shrishti?
No, ma'am, I'm solving it.
It should be faster. Aman, what is the answer? What are the roots? Aman, tell me. Aman, unmute yourself. What happened? Can't hear anything. Have you done it? Show me a thumbs up. Okay, fine. Rishabh, give me the answer. Okay. There's some problem with your audio. Check.
-2 and 5.
-2 and 5. Perfect. Shrishti, was this clear? The splitting
ma'am.
of the middle term was clear?
Yeah.
Chaitanya? Okay. Chal, fine with it. You're fine. I don't have any issues. Good. Good for me only. Chalo, do this. Again, a root over sign. This is question number 1, the third one. So what product do you have to check it out? 5 into root 2 into root 2.
10,
So
ma'am.
10. So you need 10x square actually. And the middle term as 7x. If we can write 5x plus 2x, check it out. Does it work or not? Shouldn't take that much of a time.
I'm done.
I'm done.
Dhruv, done?
One second, ma'am.
Is Prerna there with us today?
Done, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Prerna. Amogha, Aman, put your video on. Maurya, Pius.
Ma'am, already
Hmm.
it's very hard to see a screen, ma'am. If I on, then I
Who
probably
is
get
it? Give your name first. Who is it speaking?
Ma'am, bye.
Acha. Siddharth, having an issue again today also?
Ma'am, I joined from the phone, ma'am.
So you can keep the video on, na? From the phone, teachers are teaching also.
Okay,
Amogha.
I'll try.
Fine. Edwin, could you do the sum? What was the answer?
It wasn't loading up for me. Something.
What was the answer? Dhruv, still working on that. Is the answer -5 upon root 2?
Ma'am, I
or-
got it.
Yes, ma'am.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Yes,
Perfect.
ma'am.
5 got it.
All those who have still not got the answer are working. One data fast. All those who finished with this can move on to the fourth question. Question number 1, the fourth one. Do it. All those who are still not done with this, finish it off and then you can move to the fourth one. Gauri, done with it, dear?
Yes, ma'am.
No issues in understanding?
No, ma'am.
Sure.
Ma'am, it's going to be 1 by 4, comma 1 by 4.
Wait a minute. So
Yes,
moving
ma'am.
ahead to the next question. Wait a minute. For the others who have still not done it, do it. I'm giving you time. So basically you need 1 upon 4x square
Done, ma'am.
actually. You need the product of 1 upon 4x square and an addition or difference of minus x.
I multiplied the whole equation by 8.
That is the best thing. I was about to say that. Take LCM.
Yes, ma'am.
Take LCM. Take LCM. So it becomes 16x
Ma'am.
square minus 8x plus 1 is equal to 0. So basically you need 16x square.
Ma'am, the RHS is 0, so the denominator will.
That's it. That's it. So this 1 upon 8, if you actually take it this way, or you can equate it to 0. So 1 upon 8 actually goes away. Equate it to 0, this 1 upon 8 goes away. So basically you are left with how much? 4x minus 1 whole square. So again you get equal roots, 1 upon 4 and 1 upon 4. Is that so?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Shrishti Dan? All those who have finished this can go to move to question number 4, main question number 4. Find two consecutive positive integers, sum of whose squares is 365. Do it, main question number 4.